Harvey Ravi, attorney at law, have been practicing for over 20 years. Our office is located by San Francisco Airport, specializing in employment law. Today's topic, disability-based harassment. There are different types of harassment in the workplace. While some types of harassments are obvious and therefore easy to detect, such as using slurs, making inappropriate jokes, or excluding employees from certain work-related functions, there are other types of harassment that are indirect and therefore often ignored. It is extremely important that you pay close attention to these warning signs so you can take action to stop the harassment before the situation escalates to the point where you are forced to quit your job because of the hostile work environment created by your employer. There are a few common types of harassment that often happens at the workplace and some examples of the warning signs that should not be ignored. I am going to talk about disability-based harassment in this video. Disability-based harassment is also one of the most widespread forms of harassment in the workplace. Refers to unfavorable treatment or harassment of employees with a physical or mental disability and employees with life-threatening diseases such as cancer and ongoing disease like lupus. This type of harassment can also include the employees who work experiences harassment upon using disability services, such as workers' compensation or seeking reasonable accommodation or a leave plan. Some examples of disability-based harassments are as follows: teasing, joking, slurs, name-calling, degrading and humiliating comments or questions about one's disability and capability to do the job, such as an employee who suffers a cognitive or learning disability is called dumb or stupid. An employee who suffers a pre-existing mental health condition, such as anxiety or depression, is called dramatic or told they're faking it. Refusing to offer reasonable accommodation for you to do your job and forcing you into position or task that aggravate your disability, such as an employee who suffers a cognitive or learning disability is denied memory or learning aids such as repetition and note-taking. An employee who suffers a pre-existing medical condition such as diabetic is not allowed extra breaks to take insulin, monitor blood sugar level, eat food, or drink water. An employee who suffers a pre-existing mental health condition, such as anxiety or depression, is not given extra breaks to take medication or time off for treatment. An employee who suffers an injury outside of the work, such as twisting an ankle while roller skating, is denied reasonable accommodation, such as time off for treatment, a stool, or a helper. If you believe you're being harassed at work due to your disability, you must report the conduct to your supervisor or manager. If the harasser is your supervisor or manager, you must report the conduct to the harasser superior. Document your experience of harassment in your note in your own words in a private place such as a notepad or journal. Date, times, location, witnesses, and the details of incidents should be accounted for. And make sure these notes are kept in a safe place away from work. You must not record the conversation since it's illegal in California to record a private conversation without the other person's consent. If you experience any of these type of harassment, please contact my office for free consultation. Please be sure to like and subscribe and turn on your notification.